It is well knowledge that foldable phones, like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, are less durable and robust. Since the first Galaxy Fold, this has become the standard for foldable. It's not the only aspect of Samsung's foldable that could use improvement. Battery life is one feature that even Samsung's own employees find aggravating, as is the company's seeming glacial pace of progress. A report that the Galaxy Z Fold 5's hinge will be made lighter and more dust-proof at the expense of how effectively Flex Mode functioned caused me to consider this. If you're not familiar, Flex Mode enables the Z Fold and Z Flip to expand at various angles between fully open and closed, allowing the phone to stand up on its own. Proof at the expense of the efficiency of Flex Mode.